Now guys, this is 12 a.m. right? So I usually feed my clients water at 12 a.m. So this is the cup, right? Let's fill it in with some clean drinking water. The regular drinking water is ready, right, guys? But for us today, this client doesn't like taking water just like this. So we'll be adding something today. There's what we call liquid water enhancer. We have it in different flavors, right? Liquid water enhancers. This is a raspberry flavor. Yes, we have another one here, cherry flavor. Yeah, plus vitamins and all whatnot. These are really healthy enhancers, guys. These enhancers doesn't necessarily change or reduce the quality of the water. No, it's just to make this client feel good, make them feel like they're not taking the regular water. That's just it. So it comes in different flavors. You can check out in the stores and the market. They are really good, but nothing special. For me, nothing special in all this. That's it. Today we'll be using a flavor. Which do we choose, guys? Which one? So today we'll be choosing the berry flavor. This one. That's what we'll be using for today's video. So we'll just add a little quantity of it. Berry flavor. Open it up. Add a little quantity. Turn it. And that's it. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. If you've not, give this video a thumbs up. It's very important. Please, guys, share to your friends and family. Turn on your post notification bell. Very important. The bell beside the subscribe button. Choose all options so that whenever I put up new videos, you get notifications. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate you all.
We used to be solid, not falling apart. Things never not okay when you were mine. You used to be honest, not pulling my heartstrings. Every other day you change your mind. Cause when you're high, you call me like I'm lonely. Some kind of little toy for you to wind up when you land in bed and feeling lonely. I'm tired of being deployed like that. Getting busier and busier, so disorientated. First you want me, then you're busy. Girl, it's not that complicated. Got me tied up in a leash and running, round, round. You got me running in a circle. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? Round in a circle. Back where I started, I'm stuck in like glue. You keep me on a loop. I'm just trying to find my way back to you. What happened to us? Round in a circle. Back where I started, I'm stuck in like glue. You keep me on loop. I used to respect you, thought I was enough. Yeah, it feels like half a century ago. Guess you keep coming back after telling me off, without even feeling sorry between goodbye and hello.